If you've never tried Brazilian cheese bread, or as we call it, pão de queijo, you're missing out on one of the most comforting bites in the world. Crispy on the outside, soft and cheesy on the inside, this little bread from Minas Gerais has conquered every Brazilian's heart, and today I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. The real, authentic way, right in your own kitchen. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, just pure delicious simplicity. Let's start by preparing the ingredients. You'll need tapioca starch. That's the secret. Not wheat flour, but cassava starch, which gives that unique chewy texture. Then, grated cheese. The more flavorful, the better. Brazilians love using Minas cheese, but if you can't find it, Parmesan and mozzarella work beautifully. We'll also need milk, oil, salt, and a couple of eggs. Simple ingredients, but when combined, magic happens. Now let's get cooking. First, heat the milk, oil, and salt together in a pan, just until it starts to bubble. Then pour that hot mixture over the tapioca starch. This is where the magic begins. Stir it well and watch it turn into a sticky, stretchy dough. It might look strange at first, but that's exactly how it should be. Let it cool for a few minutes. Then add the eggs, one at a time. Mix it all together until it becomes smooth and slightly elastic. Finally, add the cheese. Lots of it. Your kitchen should already smell incredible at this point. Now it's time to shape them. Rub a little oil on your hands and roll small balls of dough, about the size of a golf ball. Place them on a baking tray, lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each one. Then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees C or 350 degrees Am for about 25 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they're puffed up and golden on top. And when you pull one apart, that cheese stretch is pure happiness. And there you have it, the legendary Brazilian cheese bread. Crispy, chewy, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible. Perfect with coffee in the morning or as a warm afternoon snack. Every bite is a little taste of Brazil. Simple ingredients, full of flavor, and made with love. Subscribe and like the video to see more delicious recipes from Brazil. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Ciao!